Breeze selected Windows Azure for Centrebet because Centrebet was a perfect fit. They needed scalability and they didn't have that. That was one of their most critical problems of the day. They needed flexibility and they didn't have that. And Windows Azure was standing out there like a lighthouse on a mountain.
We'd been working with Breeze for a while. They have a proven track record. They understood the Centrebet business. We had also engaged them previously to build some BizTalk infrastructure for us, and we were able to leverage that infrastructure as part of this Azure solution that we'd implemented for spring racing. We looked at other solutions, but they didn't suit our business requirements and weren't able to be implemented in the time manner that we were looking for.
So they were already flooded from internet traffic come Melbourne Cup Day the previous year, which is their busiest day in betting and trading. So they needed a solution that allowed them to expand and grow. We provisioned something up within hours and had a demo, had a proof of concept by the end of the day, showing them exactly what they could do. After that, it was a no-brainer.
Part of my job in the overall migration program, one of 24 projects, is to rationalise these services that go inbound and outbound, and to ensure they're on the one platform and technology.
What Breeze did was to take that traffic and push it to the cloud, push it to Azure, thereby leaving their core infrastructure systems able to take bets, which is their lifeblood, and utilising Azure to essentially serve out this read-only data in a timely fashion.
The betting industry is just booming at the moment, and it is growing and growing at a rapid rate. Sportingbet and Centrebet are no different, and we value speed to market, and that allows us to reuse code, reuse what we've got to build and make it better. Well, having the generic interface allows us to plug in additional services and additional third parties, and allows us to make strategic decisions to deliver data and services outside the company.
Centrebet's global environment now has become more mature and able to take advantage of these technology offerings from Azure at a moment's notice. So they can support more clients on, for example, mobile devices, which is the biggest growth area that online gaming industry is seeing in recent times, without impacting their internal systems. Centrebet benefits greatly from utilising Azure because it gives them the scale, it gives them the flexibility, as well as the cost benefit. So they're in a very unique position now of being able to utilise their on-premise investments and infrastructure, as well as taking full advantage of the cloud. So if things get busy, if demand increases X number of percent, they can cater for that now without a worry by going to Azure.